this is what it looks like. I will now walk through the process of how to set it all up, so stay tuned for the next couple videos. I'm setting up Open Pilot to your quadcopter and CC3D flight controller. Okay, so for our first step, what we had to do is upgrade the firmware. As you follow those steps, you're able to connect your quadcopter to Open Pilot and upgrade the firmware first. Upgraded our CC3D board. Next. Multi-rotor, that's what we have. Quadcopters and multi-rotors. Next. That's how our motor should be spinning. Number 1, number 2, 3, 4. Also here we can select quadcopter X, quadcopter plus. We're gonna keep it at quadcopter X because it's in the X form. Next, ESCs, next, and next. Click on calculate and I'll do all the calculating. Next. So here's where we go and connect the battery to the power supply to the quadcopter to complete some of our steps. Connecting the battery now. So this is a confirmation checklist. Confirm all safety. So I had to check. I have removed all props. The vehicle is not powered by an external power source, but USB. I confirm. I have read and understood. Now we're going to click on start. Now it's telling me to unplug my battery again to go to the next step. In order to go to the next step, output calibration. Next. So in this one, we will bring this little knob up and you will stop as soon as you see that the quadcopter props are at a normal speed. I wish I could display this, but I'm filming with one hand. So here you have it. I'm in the process of outputting, calibrating the motors. Next. Okay, here's the bonus video. We just added the props to match with the body. Yellow. Hello, yellow. This looks amazing.
Hold on. No.